Hey, hello everyone. I'm Eve this side, and today I was planning to go out, so decided to record early. What I do when I go out, so I'm using this Lakme Stroke Cream Plus Moisturizer. Basically, I will mention the products down below. Everything will be mentioned down below. I will just let you know why I do this specific step and how does it help. Basically, the NYX Stop Cream helps to give a dewy face, a shinier base to your makeup, and it looks really good, especially in the day events. And if you're planning to get your pictures done, it will look really good. Then the concealer as a foundation, because concealer has more coverage, and this L'Oreal Infallible concealer is really good. So mostly uses as a foundation. Then color correcting with the NYX using this color correcting step because I wanted to keep the products as minimal as possible, especially if you're wearing the makeup on a day-to-day basis and you want your makeup to look good even at the end of the day. So that is why color correcting is important. Then highlighting is to give a little more shape to the face. You can also do it by using bronzers or uh, contour creams or powders as well. I just like the highlighting effect of this concealer on my face, and this is a really good concealer, so it's beauty concealer. Then after this, I will set everything up. If you want to, you can also use a liquid blush, but I wanted to use a powder blush today, that is why. So I'm setting everything out. I'm using this Huda Beauty loose powder first to set everything in place, especially because I'm an oily skin person and combination skin person. This step is really important just to control the oils throughout the day, just to make your makeup last as long as possible. And then after that, I'm using this compact just to even everything out. I like this step. Just it gives a really good effect, especially in the photos, and you should try it also. Then using this Maybelline quad blush quad. I'm just using the blush quad just to give a little bit more shape. I'm using this matte eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. I'm using the lightest shade to just even out everything. Applying it all over the eye with a fluffy brush. You can use pack or pro art brushes. They're really good and invest in those. Then using a really defined brush to apply the darker eyeshadow as close to the eye as possible. Now just blending everything, applying the darker shade, and I will use the fluffy brush just to blend the corners. Then I will again apply the darker shade, then blend everything with the fluffy brush. Just to so there are no sharp lines, and it is important as we are going for a more natural look. The sharp lines don't look good; it looks fake, and I like more. Mostly people like more blended eye look. So applying the darker shade, then blending it with the fluffy brush, and I will keep doing it as soon as I don't to get satisfied with the look I'm getting. Then after that, I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid, uh, the liquid eyeshadow, just to give a more pigment to the eye, shape to the eye. Then brushing eyebrows. This was an old mascara what I'm using to brush out my eyebrows, and it works really good. You can also use this trick. Then filling out the brows and brushing the product. Then using a lip liner. The lip liner basically helps to give a little bit more shape to the face. You can use a darker shade if you want, just to give yes the new look that is currently going on. It looks really good, a darker lip liner. Now, as I'm going to wear this day to night, so I'm using this Urban Decay liquid setting spray, liquid setting spray, the liquid setting spray, just to set everything up. Then this Becca highlighter just to give a little bit glow to the cheeks and the eyelids, and this is the look. So I changed it to my clothes. It was really sweaty that day. I was sweating really bad. So but the makeup stayed. I think it stayed for a good 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.